When you buy a RYOBI One Plus tool, you're getting the power to do more. Our batteries run all One Plus tools that can tackle whatever needs improving. Now with even more power, runtime, and compatibility. RYOBI One Plus delivers more innovative products that will expand your capabilities and help you get more done faster and easier. And with our new high-performance lithium batteries, advanced electronics, and intelligent brushless motors, you can knock out that to-do list without ever having to plug in or fill up. All with our 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. Because when you have the right tools, there's nothing you can't do. RYOBI One Plus, power to do more.